Hello students, we have been discussing the first chapter of class 12 biology reproduction in organisms. So today we will discuss about events in sexual reproduction. That is the topic for today. So there are a sequence of events which occur in sexual reproduction. Those are pre-fertilization events, fertilization events, and post-fertilization events. Pre-fertilization, fertilization events and post-fertilization events. These events occur before fertilization. These events occur before fertilization. And the main events in pre-fertilization are gametogenesis, that is formation of male and female gametes, and gamete transfer. How are the male and female gametes are transferred? So these are the two main events. Before moving to fertilization events, let us know what is fertilization or syngamy. Fertilization or syngamy, it is the process of fusion of male and female gametes, and as a result of that a zygote, that's a cell, is formed. So what is fertilization or syngamy? It is the process of fusion of male and female gametes to form zygote. How does the process of fusion of gametes take place? Suppose that this is the egg. And this is the sperm. So the sperm fuses with the egg, and as a result of that fertilization takes place, and consequently what happens? A diploid zygote is formed. A diploid zygote is formed. So what happens? The sperm fuses with the egg. The sperm fuses with the egg, and as a result of that fusion fertilization takes place, and this fertilization leads to the formation of diploid zygote. What are post-fertilization events? So all the events which take place after formation of zygote. So all the events which take place after formation of zygote are known as post-fertilization events. We have a very important term here, embryogenesis. As the name suggests, it is the formation of embryo. It is the process. It is the process of formation of embryo from zygote. So the process of formation of embryo from zygote is known as embryogenesis. So it is the process of formation of embryo from zygote. So that's all for today. We will continue with this lecture series in the next video. Until then, please subscribe my channel if you haven't done so, and do like and share my videos.